What's up, YouTube? Today I'm here. I have a box today. Not any other box, a special box. Pops, you ready for the box? The box? Yeah. I got a special box. A Ktuned box. An air filter. Ktuned air filter. Let's open it up. Let's unbox it. One filter. One pipe. One coupler. And hose thingy. Some hose clamps. Let's open her up. Mind you, she is a little dirty. Oof, that's disgusting. She's dirty. She's very dirty. Okay, so hold on. Bear with me. Put the hood up. Wait, hold on. Don't hold this. Got it. First, let's get this big pipe off. Yes, sir. Get her done. Get her done. What do you think about my intake, bro? You heard? What do you think about it?
Something different.
Something different.
I never did this shirt ran.
Oh shit, no. Got it.
Dang. They come with
Yep.
hoses too?
Yep. Them hoses, gotta get them hoses on. Take up one hose clamp. Two closed hand. Hose twin. Squeeze that big old hole. Put it on that side. Bam! Yeah, movie magic. Movie magic. Movie magic. See guys, it's not a hard install, it's pretty easy. Got to get them holes doing though. Get her, yo. There you go. There you go. There you go. It was good to end that video on this one.
What was that?
Ball.
Huh?
Was that a ball?
What was it? They can't see my eyes.
She barely wanna come out. You gotta come out, girl. You gotta come out. Woo, baby. There you go. Jumbo Willy Bob. Jumbo Willy Bob.
Whale penis.
Whale penis. Hell yeah. Okay. This big old hole. Going like this. You hear that? Okay, so basically, yeah, a little smaller.
Yeah.
Come on, Hope. Take the map sets off. So we got take that. Yeah, at least we do this pull, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh my god. That's not even exhaust. Alright, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna have you go into the tunnel.
Bet.